Turn it around.
They'll never get fancy. Come on.
And Birdie, yeah.
Wish for ourselves.
A apple. What's on the other side, honey? Tell me what's on the other side. Balloon. That's right. What about this? A turtle. A bush? A bush. That's right. A bush. What's this? Quack. And a ball.
A flower. What's on the other side?
A bunny.
A bunny. You knew that already, huh?
Yeah. That's what she said at first. Hey, sweetie. That was hard. A coin? It's a star. Yeah, a star. You know a star.
What's on the next one, sweetie?
What about this one, sweetie? A bucket. A button. A button. A boot. That's not a coin. Is it a box? A box. Okay. A foot fly.
A dog.
A dog.
Yeah.
Good girl, sweetie. This is X. Yeah, a cloud. Good girl, sweetie. Smarty face. It's Chirp. That's right, sweetie. You got right the first time. It's Chirp. Good job, sweetheart. Clouds. I know. I like clouds. Sweetie, what's this?
Addie, look at Daddy.
Alright, hey. What's this? A fish. A fish. What's on the other side? Oh, you don't care. You know who this is, though. Who's that, sweetie?
Addie, who's on the card?
Who's on this card?
Who is
that
it?
The owl? A cloud.
But who's this? Owl. You're right, sweetie.
What's the owl say, sweetie?